Elysia English and welcome to my channel. This is a super exciting trash to treasure video. Subscribers. I cannot believe that in 6 short months, we've been able to reach a community of 50,000 people. As I watched the subscriber count roll over 50,000 today, I couldn't help but think about all of the joy and positivity that happens on this channel. We have such a wonderful community of people and it inspires me to make more content. Beginning my channel, I could have only dreamt that this is the way that it would have gone. So if you're not yet subscribed, our goal is 100,000 YouTube family members and I can't wait to repost a video at 100,000 subscribers when we've reached our goal. To celebrate hitting this 50,000 subscriber milestone, we're gonna create a fun DIY project with some wood that we found at the dump. I also know that YouTube cookies are in my future tonight because the boys will definitely have me baking before I know it. It's fun to look back on the video we posted when we hit 1,000 subscribers. We made YouTube cookies and we had a YouTube party with red and white balloons. We already have our plan on what we're gonna do when we hit 100,000 subscribers and it's epic. Here's some snapshots of our trip to the dump today. I'm super excited because we knew we had a special reason for coming to the dump today. Today we've hit 50,000 subscribers and so we came to the dump to find the perfect piece of wood to work on an upcycle project. We decided not to bring the trailer today because we knew we were just coming to check out the burn pile for some barn board. But when we got here, I knew it, we should have brought the trailer because I found some amazing furniture when I pulled up. Here's my haul from the dump today. I found some old wood that I'm going to use for my YouTube DIY project. I found a great mid-century modern dresser with a matching end table. And I also found a really neat mid-century modern coffee table. Let's get creating. I'm gonna start by getting all these items cleaned up. I'm going to start my DIY by painting the background of this wood piece white. I'm using my favorite Elysia English design brushes. You can purchase these on my Etsy shop. Using my scroll saw, I'm gonna cut out my shape. While I wait for this to dry, I'm gonna move on and start removing the hardware from the dresser. If you wanna support my bold choice for this color, hit that like button. I created my own chalk paint to paint this dresser. It is a veneer type board, and so I made sure that using chalk paint will give it that extra durability. After 24 hours, I will clear coat it with the satin poly. Using my silhouette cameo, I created a design that I'm going to print to cut on my vinyl to use this for my wood project. Don't forget there's only 2 more days to enter our giveaway for a silhouette cameo 3. Head to video trash or treasure number 1 and leave me a comment. You have to be a subscriber to win. I'm really happy with how my trash turned into treasure. It really is amazing how one person's trash is another person's treasure. If everyone just thought of maybe being able to donate or even put up for sale something before they throw it out, people can put things to good use. Every time I go to the landfill, it's shocking how many items are there that other people could use. I hope these videos inspire you to think twice before you throw something out. If we all do our part, we can make a big difference. I was able to transform that dresser that was beaten up and thrown away into a beautiful piece that can be put in someone's home. It even had a matching side table. I was able to transform those scrap pieces of wood into an awesome milestone marker that we can put in our home. We're really happy to be able to mark this milestone, but I'll definitely be excited when that 100,000 play button shows up. I took some inspiration from our Canadian fall and used some maple leaves and some gold paint to make this cute wall art. Thank you again so much for the support on our channel. We've just got started. We have so much more coming your way. Smash that like button to show your celebration with us for reaching 50,000 subscribers. I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next project.